much for clicking this video. And in today's video, we're gonna do a makeup tutorial. It's been a while since I filmed or did a makeup tutorial. To be honest, I really lost interest when it comes to makeup since every time that we go out, we need to wear a mask. And for me, it's a waste of time and effort kapag mag-aayos ka pa tapos matatapan lang ng mask or magugulo ng mask. But lately, I've been into watching makeup tutorials. One time kasi, I woke up really early and then I found myself watching yung mga Vogue ng makeup tutorials. Alam mo yung kala Kendall Jenner, Gigi Hadid. And of course, YouTube, kapag nanood ka ng ganung videos, re-recommend na siya ng videos with the same genre hanggat nagtuloy-tuloy na siya. So yun, bigla ako na lang naisipan na mag-film ng makeup tutorial. So today, I will show you guys how I did this makeup. This is my no makeup look. Very subtle, very natural, perfect. Gusto mo lang lumabas ng presentable. If you want to feel good during mga meetings or online classes, I think this is perfect kasi parang wala lang akong suot. So if you want to know how I did this makeup, then please keep on watching. First things first, I will put moisturizer. Konti lang kasi ito medyo greasy. I have dry patches all over my nose bridge and then sa cheeks. And I will just moisturize my lips by using this lip glow from Sunny's Face in the shade Chill. And then for my base, I will be using this all-cover tinted sunscreen by Anakai. I'm in the shade white. I light pala. Konti lang ilalagay ko kasi yung coverage niya super kapal. Dot ko lang all over my face and then I will use my fingers lang para mas natural look. Grabe yung coverage nitong tinted sunscreen. Para na siyang, foundation. So, that's it for my base. Since we're trying to achieve yung natural, sabog. Kagising ko lang kasi. So, since we're trying to achieve yung natural look, I'm not going to set my entire face kasi masyadong magiging parang lakado yung makeup ko. Babrush ko lang yung powder dun sa mga parts na lagi akong oily since I'm super oily. Which is my T-zones, ditong part, and then sa chin. You can skip this if hindi ka naman ganun ka-oily. And then the rest, dadaanan ko lang. Anyway, for my powder, ito yung ginamit ko. This is the Nichido Final Powder. I'm in the shade Ivory Glow. And then for my brows, I will be using two products. This is the Sunny's Face. Walang nakalagay, pero ito yung micro something. And then this one, yung Life Brow na gel. Both of these are warm brown. I will just fill in yung mga spots na medyo kalbo yung kilay ko. If you're gonna use the same product, kailangan light lang yung strokes para natural pa rin. Itong nakikita nyo, ayan o, yung parang black dyan. Psoriasis ko yan, huwag nyo na lang pansinin. Baka akala nyo excess product yan. Super love this product. Ang bilis niyang gamitin. Like, hindi mo na kailangan i-blend pa. I'm just going to brush yung mga strands ng hair using this Life Brow from Sunny's Face as well. Careful kayo dito sa product na perdami nung nasa brush. Parang nagdidikit-dikit yung hair mo and super hirap niyang tanggalin kahit i-wipes mo. Ganyan lang yung kilay. And then I will contour my face. Very subtle lang, guys. Using the warmest brown shade that I have here in my palette. So, eto guys, yan. Ito kasi glittery eh. So, I will just stick with this one. Para lang ma-even out yung skin na merong sunscreen and yung walang sunscreen. para mas natural looking tignan yung transition. So, I will just contour my nose using the same shade. And then for my blush, I will be using this Amazonian Clay 12 Hour Blush from Tarte in the shade Unstoppable. If you want something natural, do not use yung mga bright pink or pink tones kasi medyo obvious yun sa skin. Stick with the earth tones or yung mga nude, yung mga ganitong shades lang. Parang kakulay lang ng balat mo. For my lips, I will be using this, not this one. And then for my lips, gagamitin ko lang tong Sunny Space Flap Matte in the shade Baby Spice, yung medyo kakulay ng lips ko. And then next, highlighter. I suggest use a liquid highlighter kung gusto nyo lang yung very natural looking kasi kapag gumamit kayo ng mga yung ganyang shades, yung mga parang powder, medyo pang full glam na yon. Pero choice mo naman yon. I will be using this Sunny Space Glass in the shade Barbarella. Super love this. Super natural yung blend niya sa skin mo. You can skip this part, guys. Pwedeng hindi naman kayo maglagay ng mascara. Hindi lang ako maglalagay sa bottom part ng lashes kasi hindi na yun natural looking for me. For my mascara, I will be using this Maybelline Total Temptation. So that's it for this makeup. Very natural lang. If you guys enjoy, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Take care, everybody!